Building a mobile app for your e-commerce store can take 30 days, but it can also take a year and a half. The gap between those two numbers is massive, and most brands don't understand why until they're already deep into a project. At MobiLoud, we've launched over 2,000 mobile apps, so we've got a good idea of what the process looks like. And in this video, we're gonna break it down for you. Custom app projects are long, winding roads. You're hiring a team, designing screens, building a front end from scratch, integrating with your e-commerce platform, testing across devices, and submitting to app stores. Realistically, you're looking at 6 to 18 months depending on the complexity of your store. But not all sites are the same. If you've got a straightforward catalog and a standard checkout, you can fall on the shorter end. Sites with custom integrations, complex product configurations, multi-currency, especially enterprise brands with deep custom setups, it could be a year and a half until you finally get to celebrate your launch. There are ways to trim that timeline down. Agencies that will quote you less. But if you're building custom, you need to accept the reality. It's going to take a long time. But here's the real question though. Why does it need to take a long time? Why when you're basically just rebuilding everything that exists already on your website? Product pages, collection pages, checkout, homepage, none of this is fundamentally different in the app than it is on your mobile website. And customers are using the same device to access both. And your mobile website works great. There's just a little bit missing. Do you really need to wait a year and a half just to see what essentially is a rebuild of your existing site? There's a better way. When you take the approach of extending your website into an app and not rebuilding it, the timeline shrinks drastically. MobiLoud converts your website into a mobile app. Your website powers the app, and everything on your site automatically carries over, and the two platforms are in sync by default. It's not a shortcut, and the app still looks, feels, and works just like an app should. But the kicker, you can go live in about 30 days, not a months-long ordeal. So to answer the question, how long does it take to build an e-commerce mobile app? It depends on how you do it. You can spend years potentially trying to get your app off the ground, or you can realize that your website already does 90% of what your app should do, and make the process a whole lot simpler. So go to mobiloud.com to see how you can go live with your own app in just 30 days.